Fellow Biafrans, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all over the world, wherever you are listening to me now. I want you people to understand that nothing happens for nothing and there is no smoke without fire. Northern leaders are fighting Tinubu to get out of Aso Rock and for military to take over. And they are giving him the last warning. And for this reason, this should give you food for thought. As a Biafran, are we saved if we claim to be one Nigeria? As the matter is out of hand now, it's not under control, it's out of control. Because there are many reasons Nigerian soldiers have given why Tinubu regime supposed not to continue. So quickly, I want to inform you that Tinubu is running a family government, family and friends government. That is family ruling the whole nation. That is Tinubu and his wife and his sons and the son-in-law are the ones ruling the whole of Nigeria. So anything every other person is saying is lie. Tinubu does not listen to you. And Tinubu is not ready to pay attention to you. I'm talking based on the people who are still from Biafra land and Igbo land believing that they are one Nigeria and Tinubu is warming up to make their lives more comfortable than ever before. Meanwhile, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have told you this ahead of time, and Simon Ekpa is working seriously to make sure that you are liberated from this shackle of shame and ridicule. Being a Nigerian and you are begging in the street. A Nigerian, you can't see trouser to wear, don't tie wrapper. A Nigerian walking naked in the street. A Nigerian being frustrated in your own country. A Nigerian who are being killed, trying to be Fulanized and Islamized in their own ancestral land. A Nigerian whose Fulani military terrorists and the military and the Mieti Allah terrorists have completely evacuated out of their ancestral land. One Nigeria is what is causing this. These are religious and self-centered people that Nigerian cabal have decided to bring in to represent them because of their own self-centered issue that when Tinubu is there, they will eat and drink and rejoice. Biafrans can go to hell. Before I wrap up my message this moment, Tinubu have suddenly removed the person who's supposed to be the Minister of Housing Authority and replace the person with his son-in-law. So tell me what is going on in Nigeria and try to find out what Tinubu have in mind and what he is doing now with his two sons in Nigeria government, what they are out for. These are people who are running Nigeria now. And you, with your certificate as a graduate or a professor, whatever you read, for 10 years ago, 15 years ago, is not too useful in your hand, and it's not too useful anywhere in Nigeria as a Biafran, that's your certificate. But somebody who don't know anything about housing authority, about ministerial work, about governance, about government, so is today being appointed a minister, and that is what is killing Nigeria and Nigerians. And the Nigerians will not revolt, they will not say a word. But these are roadside mechanics, the ministers.